everyone, welcome to Chalchitra Talks. मेरा नाम सुमिधा है. This week, I want to talk about a very well-established band in the genre of electronic, progressive rock, experimental. The band is called Air, and Air was formed in 1995 by two people from France. Their names are Nicolas and Dunkel. I got exposed to this band Air a few years back, and उनके काफ़ी गाने हैं which have now remained constant favorites of mine. But I recently realized that for some reason I have not explored their entire discography and मैंने उनके सारे ऐसे albums नहीं सुने हैं. And even the songs that I really like, such as Playground Love, Alone in Kyoto, All I Need, Kelly Watch the Stars, all these songs are from like different albums. I've not heard any one album, I think, completely. So this is very random. So because of this, I decided to explore one of the albums and I chose the album called 10,000 Hertz Legend. And I chose it because I found the artwork to be very interesting. And I'm very happy that I chose this album because for me, it has been mind-blowing. Like, I'm so happy that I randomly decided to like listen to Air and heard this album. It's amazing and it's kind of in line with what I've been listening to these days. ये एल्बम रिलीज़ हुआ था 2005 में एंड इससे पहले Air had released Moon Safari, their first full-length album, which had received like a lot of praise and it was considered really good almost by everyone. And also before this album, Air had already worked with Sofia Coppola for the soundtrack of her film Virgin Suicides. So when 10,000 Hertz Legend album was released, a lot of comparisons were drawn to the previous work. And as a result, like the comparison showed that this particular album was very different and saw the band take a very new direction. Like they were really, really experimental in this particular album. So for this episode, I want to talk about some of my favorite songs from this particular album. It's difficult to describe like a collective genre for this album because each song has its own individual thing going on and they've experimented differently in each song and it's like difficult to kind of really connect them together, but still it sounds really well when you listen to the whole album together. The first song that I want to talk about is called Electronic Performers, and this is the first song in the album, and it plays that part perfectly because it gives you a very good introduction of what to kind of expect throughout the album. So the album, like I said, like there's no collective, there's no one genre that can be used to describe the album, but there's a combination of space rock, psychedelic, progressive rock, electronic, a lot of experimental things. So coming back to the song Electronic Performers, मुझे इस song का intro बहुत पसंद है, which is a very strong synth beat, something I find very catchy. And isme the vocals are like distorted voices singing something like we're the synchronizers and something along the same lines of being an electronic performer, I think. The next song that I really like from this album is called Radian. It starts with a tune that sounds like a space adventure and then slowly becomes something melancholic. A friend of mine described this second part as something like it sounds like it's an aftermath and kind of makes sense. This part goes on until about 2 minutes 30 seconds and then slowly it changes into something that sounds completely opposite of what the second part was. The only term that comes to my mind for describing this part is like it sounds like it's the emotion of wonder, and the song is then just building up on this positive part that comes in. It's really beautiful. Overall, it's a psychedelic song, so definitely should be heard in with like proper earphones or headphones. The third song that I want to recommend is called How Does It Make You Feel, and this is the only song that I'd already heard from this album. मुझे इस song का mainly official video बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It shows there's a computerized voice expressing its emotions to a sort of a woman figure that he's trying to make. And the ending I find very funny. I don't want to spoil it here, so if you've not seen the video, please do check out the video when you're listening to this song. There are two more songs that I really like from this album, and for each I'm going to talk about my favorite part of that song. The first is called Lucky and Unhappy. And for this, definitely the intro is a clear winner for me because it's very catchy. There's again a very strong synth beat, which is very inviting. The next is called People in the City, and I really like this song because there's a specific part which comes at about 1 minute 20 seconds, which sounds very similar to Daft Punk ka song Harder, Better, Faster, Stronger, especially uska main chorus. And Daft Punk ka song actually came before, it came in 2001, and this song by Air came in 2005. So I wonder if there was some inspiration that Air took. So these were some of my favorite songs from this album. Please let me know what you think and if you like any other albums of Air, especially to listen to as a whole. And I will be back next week with another recommendation.